Dancehall entertainer Tommy Lee Sparta took on a police operation in search of an apartment in a section of the island. Hi again and welcome. This is Links to Blood 7 TV Celebrity Scope, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. Well, the embattled DJ Tommy Lee Sparta, whose real name is Leroy Russell, has been the center of a public investigation by the Montego Bay Police, which has seen the dancehall entertainer being taken into custody on numerous occasions. Fast forward now to 2020 and the dancehall entertainer still remains in custody based on allegation that he is involved in gang-related activities in the Flankers area community of Montego Bay, St. James. The police did not mention what role, if any, the artist whose given name is Leroy Russell played in the searches. However, the police said he is currently being held in St. James under the public state of emergency. Tommy Lee Sparta, who hails from a community in Flanker, St. James, was asked to report to the Freeport police station to answer to questions in an upsurge of violent activities in that community. He was given a deadline of midday on July 7th, which he did turn himself in to the police with his attorney and has since been arrested. He has not yet been charged with any criminal offense. However, based on the fact that he is held under the public state of emergency, he can be held up to 90 days without being charged. Tommy Lee Sparta, real name Leroy Russell, is one of the big names of our local dancehall music, and his song Blessed has garnered him such recognition on the local and international music diaspora of reggae music and also dancehall music. Well, this artist is a very talented artist, very lyrically inclined artist as well, and he hails from the troubled community of Flankers in St. James, which has been an upsurge of violent activities for many years now, and the dancehall entertainer has been finger pointed as one of the individuals is alleged to be involved in criminal activities in that era. However, fans of the dancehall entertainer are still hopeful for his early release based on the fact that he has not yet been charged with any criminal offense. And this is not the first time that the dancehall entertainer have been taken into custody for allegations of these offenses. However, this time now, he's held under the public state of emergency that is imposed in that section of Montego Bay. And his lawyer is trying his very best and trying every means possible in order to secure the artist's release. However, the police are still maintaining that level of assurance that they will try their best to see how well they can articulate something against the dancehall entertainer, as he is said to be involved in criminal activities. One point in time, the dancehall entertainer was taken into custody as well for alleged scamming. He was not charged with that and he had to be released. However, as it stands right now, I'm telling you, this artist is a very talented artist, very good artist, and he has been doing his thing for the past few years and has garnered so much fan base right across the world, and he's a really rated or top rated dancehall figure within our local music, and it's very sad to see that he's actually behind bars at this very moment. So during the operation, the police stated that they arrest a man that is said to be St. James' most wanted and is alleged to be a member of the Sparta gang, and he was arrested in an operation in Kingston by the Montego Bay Police. So in this recent development, the police said that they acted on intelligence and they are now celebrating the capture of one of St. James' most wanted man, Christopher Boyd, who was arrested at a hotel in Kingston, as this was an intelligence-led operation. The individual that was taken into custody is reportedly a top member of the Sparta gang, which is based in Montego Bay, St. James. The individual that was taken into custody, Christopher Boyd, otherwise known as Planka, is no stranger to the police or the Jamaican penal system, having served time in prison for illegal possession of firearm. He was wanted for several crimes, including a double murder and also other killings in the Montego Bay, St. James area. Following the arrest of this top-ranked high figure in the gang, police said that they swooped down on other hotels in the Kingston area where 10 other individuals believed to be members of the gang were taken into custody and arrested. According to the head of the Police Constabulary Communication Unit, Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, she indicated that the detectives are finalizing their cases against the individuals before the court and charges are to be laid against them very soon in the courts. Well, based on the revelation that came out of that search led by the Montego Bay police in the corporate area of an apartment that is said to be associated with the dancehall star, it is very unclear whether or not he will be charged with any criminal offense based on this new development. However, his attorney is trying frantically in order to secure a release for the dancehall star, but have so far proved futile. His fans, though, are very hopeful that he is not held on any suspicious activities, and all these that are being said about the dancehall star are just allegations, and that the police cannot prove any of them based on what we saw went down some years ago with him. However, as it stands right now, he still remains behind bars, and him himself is very hopeful that he will try to secure his own release as well and try to cooperate in the best possible way with the local authorities, just in order to maintain his innocence and try to keep his fan spirit alive. However, we'll keep you up to date with this story. This has been Link 007 TV Celebrity Scope, and we're out for this one once more. Peace out. Bless.